This is the number 12 wire that I get from Home Depot. I buy it, this time I bought it in the big 500 foot long rounds. I probably need about 300, but it ends up being cheaper to buy it in the bulk way, and that way I don't run out of it and I don't have to spend 3 times as much money buying it. But anyway, that's the wire I use, and I use this contraption to go ahead, and this is how I twist the wire, like this, and then I use different colors of tape to designate the different buses. You can see under here, this is the new bus number 4 or district number 4, and this one has white tape on it. So I've got it annotated, and back up a little bit, that this is a green and red wire, and it's twisted because that's what's required for my NCE system, with a piece of white tape. About every 4 or 5 feet I put that white tape, and that way it holds it in place anyway. So you can see here's another section of the white tape. Now what it's doing is bus 4 or district 4, I use bus because I'm talking about the wire, is actually running all the way around in the middle. I bring it over into here, and it goes all the way down the end of the peninsula down there, and then back around the other side under here. You can see the other white wire there. And then it goes over there, over to the power section, which I'll show you here in a minute, where it goes down over there. So I did the bus 4 today, plus I also ran bus 3, and here's the end of bus 3 or district 3. Right here, it's got its green and red wire with a blue tape on it, and it's just tied off here for the time being. Of course, it's twisted again, and it's going in, as you can see, the outside holes. I have 4 sets of holes, 2 on each side. So the bus 4 is in the middle, bus 3 is on the outside, or district 3 and district 4. And they wrap around the peninsula. Some of the wires tape that I use to wrap on the wire, the yellow, the white, the blue. I have a couple other colors. Here's some of my other wire, number 18s that I use. I always use lots of wire. Now here, you can see here is the blue wire, which is bus 3 or district 3, the power for that, number 12. And it's coming around the outside of the peninsula and goes down underneath. And then in here, you can see in the center is the red and green wire with the white tape, and it's for this section up in here in the peninsula. The bus 3 or district 3 is around the outside of the peninsula, and district 4 or bus 4 is in the center. And you can see it running along the middle. And I got tape on it like I said, about every 4 or 5 feet. And now here they're coming together. Here's the white one here. This is a blue one. There's the blue right there. I'll put another one here so that I can identify it readily. It's coming under here. They're wrapping around. It's not supposed to be over the top of that. Those are temporary, these clamps. And what I'm doing is I'll show you underneath. It comes in, and then they go down. There's my speedometer I'll be using later on when I do speed matching. Go down in the hole, and here the wires are coming down underneath, and then they go into the circuit breakers for bus 3 and bus 4 on the end there. Bus 3, bus 4.